As a continuity of IGCSE videos, today as we were discussing chapter number, which chapter? Chapter 4 of IGCSE. In chapter 4 of IGCSE, the topic is water. Every cell of living thing contains about 80% of water. About 80% of water is there. And you know, this cytoplasm is more than 80%. So, totally we can say water is one of the essentials of life. Life cannot continue without water. So, if we observe the same property of water in between two cells of animals, or in between two cells of plants or any other organism, there is water. And also there are processes in plants and animals. These are chemical processes, and these chemical processes can be catabolic, can be anabolic, and together we say them metabolic. So all metabolic reactions need a medium, and that medium is only water. The medium is provided for the reaction is by the water. So we say that water is an important solvent. Solute is dissolved in water and a solution is made. So important solvent for any reaction is water. Now we have one term that like dissolves like. So like dissolve like mean organic compound will be dissolved in organic liquid solvent. Inorganic will be dissolved in inorganic, or we can say ionic can be dissolved in ionic, covalent can be dissolved in covalent. But the water has the property that it can dissolve ionic as well as covalent compounds or the covalent solutes in itself. That is why it is called as universal solvent, and this universal solvent property came from the hydrogen bonding present inside the water. If we discuss here, water has partial negative and partial positive, and then partial positive charge and partial negative charge. Because of this hydrogen bonding between oxygen and hydrogen, this is covalent property. So covalent compounds will be dissolved in this solvent. If we say hydrogen and hydroxyl bonds together make water, so this positive, this negative ion, so they are made by positive and negative ion, so they have ionic properties. Ionic properties. In this way, all the ionic compounds will be dissolved inside. So it is an important solvent, universal solvent. So that's why water is very important for the life continuity. Then we come across, if we say the blood plasma consists of water, and all the glucose molecules, energy rich compounds, are dissolved in water, and this water is actually the blood plasma. So blood plasma consists of water. So transportation of glucose inside human body is helped by the blood, and which is in return is dissolved inside the water that blood contains. Here then we say alimentary canal of the human being or alimentary canal of animals. All the nutrients are dissolved inside the water. Enzymes that help in reactions are dissolved in water. So these are carried out by the water from one place to another place. So water is very important for the life. And then we say water helps to get rid of waste products. What are the waste products? These are urea, uric acid, or related products. So urea is dissolved in water and then it is thrown out. So here we can say that water has importance in one's life, whether it is a plant or an animal. Thank you very much.